Welcome dear learners, I am Dr. Ashu Tomar. Will be starting today's lecture on the topic types of report, in which we will discuss different types of report writing. First one is on the basis of nature, scope, length. We have divided the reports into two, formal reports and informal reports. A formal report is one which is prepared in a prescribed format, and generally it follows a strict format. For example, annual reports, project reports, or technical reports which are written in the organization. The next one is informal reports. Informal report is usually in the form of a person to person communication. It is in a form of a letter or a memo form. Generally, these reports are short, like for example, trip reports, lab reports. Next one is on the basis of the frequency of issue. Regularly, the reports are written regularly in the organization. They are basically known as periodic or routine reports. So, those reports which are written on a routine basis in the organization. For example, daily report, annual report, quarterly. So, they follow a certain routine or a pattern in the organization. Generally, they are known as periodic or routine reports. Special reports are those reports which are written on a special occasion or a situation. Like, for example, you are writing a dissertation or a thesis. So, if you are doing any research work, then only we will be writing a thesis. So, special occasions. Now, the next type of report is divided on the basis of the function. First one is informative report. Informative reports are those reports which provides the information in which facts are written as it is. Like for example, seminar reports or conference reports. The purpose is to provide the information what all had happened in a seminar. Second one is analytical report. Analytical reports are those reports where lot of analysis is done. Though in every report the analysis is done, but generally where lot of things, generally long reports, or where lot of things are there to do have an analysis. Like for example, you are writing a project report, so it is a long report where you have to do lot of analysis and then you will come over to a conclusion. Next one is on the basis of the number of persons included in a report. Report by an individual, that is individual report. If one person is writing or having a responsibility of writing a report, that will be known as individual report. Next one is report by committee. That is a report which is submitted by a more than one people. When more than one people are in a team, that is basically known as a team report or committee report. These reports are formal in style and they are based on facts. They are also written in the organization. Comment for your doubts, notes के लिए टेलीग्राम चैनल ज्वाइन करें. The link is given in the description box.